Discomfort in this area is mostly caused by a straightened cervical curve, muscle strain in the neck, cervical spondylosis, and so on. Doing Shu's cervical spine exercises regularly can effectively strengthen the neck muscles and help relieve discomfort. If you don't want to do the cervical spine exercises, doing 30 reps of the towel exercise in the morning and evening is also a good option. Like this, place the towel behind your neck, tilt your head back, and stretch forcefully for about 10 seconds, just like this. The second area is the position of our left and right shoulders. Discomfort in these two areas is most commonly caused by frozen shoulder, muscle strain in the shoulder, rotator cuff injuries, and so on. If it turns out to be frozen shoulder or muscle strain in the shoulder, we can do the wall climbing exercise. Place both hands on the wall and slowly walk your hands upward like this. However, if you have a rotator cuff injury, you shouldn't exercise at will. The third point is the area around our left and right shoulder blades. Discomfort in these areas is most likely caused by myofascial inflammation or bone spurs. Doing this movement more often can help relieve the discomfort. Keep your arm close to your body like this, then turn your palm upward and rotate outward. Do about 20 repetitions each time. The fourth area is our thoracic spine. There are 12 vertebrae in the thoracic spine, and most pain in this area is usually due to supraspinous ligament inflammation, scapulospinal ligament inflammation, thoracic disc herniation, and so on. Poor sleeping or sitting posture can easily lead to these kinds of problems. We can stand straight with our feet together, place one hand on our waist, and use the other hand to guide the body in a twisting motion. Do about 20 repetitions to each side. Let's look at the fifth area, which is our left and right waist. If you feel soreness or swelling in these areas, it's usually due to lumbar muscle strain, but it could also be caused by conditions like myofasciitis or osteoporosis, among others. You can try doing Chushing's lumbar exercises. If you often experience lower back soreness or discomfort, you can also place your hands on your waist and gently rotate your waist to the left, right, forward, and backward. Move slowly and keep the range of motion small. The sixth point, finally, we come to our lumbar vertebrae. There are 5 lumbar vertebrae in total, and pain in this area is most commonly caused by a lumbar disc herniation. The exercise for this is the same as the one mentioned in the fifth point. In addition, regularly applying heat and massaging or pressing the area can also help relieve muscle tension to some extent. Finally, I want to remind everyone that these are some of the more common situations from an orthopedic perspective, as explained by Dr. Shu. Besides these, there are also many other conditions that could cause discomfort in different parts of our body. For example, if there are problems with the liver or gallbladder, it could also lead to discomfort in the scapular area. If there are issues with the lungs, it might also cause discomfort in the thoracic spine, and so on. So, if you feel any discomfort, make sure to pay close attention to it as early as possible. If it doesn't get better for a long time, you should go to the hospital for a checkup. Remember that, okay?